watch a video called Happy Garden with Liz, and she's eclectic in her gardening. Stuff all over the yard, lots of colors, really nice. Karen's a lot like that. She's eclectic. I'm a little bit more conservative, so she kind of tampers down her eclecticness. But after watching Liz and seeing her garden, I told Karen, let your eclectiveness go wild. So she's going to do that this summer, and I'm going to help her. And I got a project that I'm going to show you. You'll watch me in this video put it together, I hope, and I hope it looks good. So I'll take you over and show you what I'm going to do.
Well, I've been told that I'm a bit eclectic, but I'm not sure about that, only because I love colorful things everywhere.
So we're going to start.
We're going to start a project with colorful shelves, with colorful plants.
And your summer is going to be eclectic mania.
Yeah, let's do it, hon. Finally, I've talked him into it.
And of course, it's raining today, so what's new? Does that almost every day out here. Although yesterday, we actually had some sunshine. That was nice. But anyway, what I'm planning on doing is putting shelves right over here. Going to run a shelf across here. Come out maybe this far. And I might do 1, 2, maybe 3 of them. And we're going to paint each shelf a different color. And then on those shelves, we can put potted plants or whatever Karen decides to put on a shelf. And it'll just spruce this up and add some colors. Liz, you'll be proud when it's done. Just because it's raining out here doesn't mean I can't work in there. So I'll be heading over to the garage, cutting some wood, and seeing how this works out. And you'll see every step of the way. I got this old shelf board that we used for something, I don't remember what. It's stained, but this will work. I'm going to cut it down to the size I need. I've got a 2x2 over here. I'll be needing that too. And then I'm going to custom make some braces, wood braces that are going to go on this. I'll probably have to sand this down a little bit so we can paint it. We're going to paint it with an enamel color. Could be a purple. It could be green. Could be some kind of vibrant color. So I'll do some measurements. I'll do some cutting. Now I'm going to cut some braces that'll be on the end of the shelf using this pattern that I've used many times before. This will give it the support it'll need. So I'll cut that out. I'll cut that out. So I've got my 2 braces that will go on the shelf and help hold it up. Got some sanding to do. Smooth these out. And we got some painting to do too. I might let Karen do that because she's so much better at it than me. Well, that's the bottom side of the shelf. So before I go too much further, we're going to paint it, then assemble it, and then attach it. That'll be shelf 1.
All right, we're going to paint this in popsicle orange. What a cool color. It'll probably take many coats.
This is the second shelf, and we're coloring this a
Purple.
purple. So let's do it. I thought I was going to do 3 shelves, but it looks like only 2 are going to fit there. But you never know. There might be a spot for a shelf with a different color somewhere else. I said in our last film it rained a lot. Well, now it's raining and snowing at the same time. Makes it hard to get out there and do spring type things when it's doing this out here. But we're going to do springtime things anyway. We're going to put up some shelves. Yesterday it was snowing, it was sleeting, it was raining, but today the sun is out. So we're going to be able to install the shelves on our fish pond. Well, there they are. We went with some color. I think they look pretty cool. So now we have to find some nice colorful pots to put on here. Granted, things aren't going to grow yet for a few weeks because it's still chilly and I'm sure we're still going to get a lot of rain. But we'll be ready when spring hits us. Karen found two color pots. She's hunting down a few more. And then they'll have to put some special plants in there. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, very colorful. So what do you guys think? Is it eclectic?
Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah.
So we'll be hunting up some more colorful pots to put on there. And I think it'll be nice. The shelves don't have to just be for plants. We could put garden decor on it. But I think when it all comes down to it, we're going to end up putting plants. I guess we could mix some gnomes in with the plants. Why not?